some big breaking news which is coming in after Raj Kundra, a Mumbai business person, was arrested yesterday for pornography. Now there is more evidence which is being accessed by Times Now, which we know based on which the Mumbai police is probing Raj Kundra's case. In fact, what we believe is that Mumbai police is looking into what you can see on your screens, WhatsApp chats as well. These chats are going to be part of the charge sheet, and the cops are claiming that these WhatsApp chats are going to be vital to the case. So let me go across to Shivani Mishra, who's joining us from the crime branch office. Shivani, if you can tell us a bit about the WhatsApp chats, whom are they between and what are they discussing?
See, first of all, here the WhatsApp chat which are revealing the main revenues of the company which were generating here. Raj Kundra has clearly demanding the output of the movie gross and the movie revenue here. Sometimes even he has mentioned that they are suffering losses. That is the reason that other account person replies to it that of course they are releasing only one film in a week of time. That is the reason it is affecting the accounts and the profit revenue here. So we can clearly understand that they are talking definitely about a movie business. Of course, very limited people are there in the part of the group of the WhatsApp group which has been created and which we have accessed, which has only 5 people into that. Out of it, one person belongs to the accounts team, whereas the other person belongs to the main authority who is to head this entire production of Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty Kundra production films. So definitely through this WhatsApp chat, which now police is claiming that it is going to be very important detail because they are here talking about the assets and the revenue which was generated through these films. And of course in that particularly one person from the account department also reveals that there are 10 to 15 models and actresses, those are waiting for the delayed payment. So we can understand that some of the people here are clearly discussing about that who all were involved, how this process entirely used to work in this entire matter. This WhatsApp chat will be interesting to know more because those people, those who are into these groups will also be a part of this entire probe and investigation. They will also be revealing the details that how and who used to handle which department and used to look after the payments section and who used to look after the movie section here.
Well, this is going to be very interesting to watch out how it's going to be panning out. But Shivani, where is Raj Kundra right now? Is he trying to be moving for bail? What next, legally speaking?
See, first of all, Raj Kundra had come to this particular CP office, crime branch office of Mumbai, where we are present outside right now. And inside this office only, he's been arrested by the crime branch of Mumbai, where Commissioner of Police Hemant Nagrali clearly announced that they have right details and evidences against him. Yesterday, he had been called here for the questioning, and after several hours of questioning, he was arrested last night. And at 3:45 a.m., he was taken to the medical at JJ hospital here, and now at around 11 a.m. we are expecting him to go to the court over here nearby in town itself, Mumbai, with the team of Mumbai police. It has been said that he has denied with all the allegations which are against him, but of course the legal action what Raj Kundra's team will take, it's still under the scanner that what all will they demand for the bail and what all questioning can happen in the court. But of course the legal team of Raj Kundra has yet not come out and has not spoken about any bail kind of a thing right now. But of course he is inside and he will be taken to the court nearby by 11 a.m. here.
Well, also give us a sense of who really are the other key players. I believe Gerna Vashish, who is also a model and an actor, who is another one of the persons arrested. But before I come back to you, Shivani, in fact, there are some of the reactions which are coming in. Let's start with Raj Kundra. Times Now was one of the only channels to have spoken to him while he was being taken in. After that, we'll get you some of the other voices which are coming in as well. Listen into this.
देखिए राज कुंद्रा को जो है आराम से देख सकते हैं, राज कुंद्रा को लेके जा रहा है गाड़ी उठे तरीके से जाया जा रहा है। आप मेडिकल के लिए हम देख सकते हैं कि गाड़ी में बैठाया जा रहा है। सर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे 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 सर प्लीज सर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर असली फिल्म बनाने के आरोप में शिल्पा शेट्टी के पति राज कुंद्रा बिजनेसमैन को गिरफ्तार कर लिया मुंबई के क्राइम ब्रांच ने। जी रात 9 बजे मुंबई के क्राइम ब्रांच ने बुलाया था, जिसके बाद 3 से 4 घंटे लगातार पूछताछ करने के बाद उन्हें करीब रात 11 बजे गिरफ्तार कर लिया। वहीं रात करीब 3:45 पर उनको मेडिकल के लिए चेकअप के लिए ले जाया गया। वहीं जे अस्पताल में 20 से 25 मिनट मेडिकल चेकअप हुआ, जिसके बाद 4:10 पर मेडिकल चेकअप करने के बाद जे अस्पताल से बाहर निकले। ये वही सिटी ऑफिस में राज कुंद्रा मौजूद है, यहीं वही लाया गया है। जी हम देख सकते हैं ये सिटी ऑफिस है जहाँ राज कुंद्रा को 4:10 पे लाया गया। अब आज सुबह उन्हें 11 बजे कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा। मुंबई से विनय की रिपोर्ट, टाइम्स नाउ।